said Yaba and a historic visit over 76 years. Afe and a probably refer Santa Cotopahene, Wapa, Ayagan Sasso. Now, you want dear for 50. I'm a many a money no alcono. Now you be say, a ya dear, and our friends with dear nature. Nana, now no, Yanana Boncomo, men efficacy, and also say, I'm a real. Mekatri, a bayer brother, please, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Please, your name.
My name is Asafache Aduodun from Telco Churui.
Okay.
The first.
Please, Asafache, does it mean that you are a warrior?
We are the warrior,
okay.
Actually.
Okay. Please, what is the meaning of this wonderful entrance?
Wonderful entrance is this the people wearing white. They are our spiritual. This is the who used to cleanse the way for the king to pass through.
Okay.
If any dirty things, any fictitious thing, if they pass through, when the king comes, nothing can even attack him.
Okay, so is the spiritual cleansing?
Cleanse the way before
cleansing the way for Gamanche.
For Gamanche to pass through on his path.
So if you have any bad intentions or any bad thing, you can never come across them. So why are they wearing white?
Because today is Sunday for us, and on Sunday we used to do white in our stool house.
Okay.
And today too is something so special,
okay.
which we haven't met some before. That from the way to Kumasi to Accra. Now we can see that all the chiefs, there is no litigation, and we have made one with them. So we are more happy. We are more happy, and we like how the kings will connive, communicate, and those things. Like we have come there, the appreciating too for our king has been come today.
So that means this is the second time that Otumfuo is coming to
yes.
land
yes.
after 76
yes.
years.
Yeah.
So today means a lot to Ghana State.
It's a lot to us.
So this visit, Gamanche coming to Kumasi to praise Otumfuo's 25th years anniversary, and also Otumfuo reciprocates his visit to Gamanche's place. Do you see Ghana heading to togetherness in the right way?
Sir?
Do you see Ghana heading to togetherness?
Yes,
right
yes,
way?
yes, yes,
through
yes.
This, through Otumfuo and Gamanche, and we are expecting that others too will follow.
Yes, it's a big great thing that now all the kings has made one, and they can share ideas for Ghana to move forward. So it's a great appreciation that Otumfuo is coming to appreciate what Gamanche came to do over there.
So will you say that you are very happy for you to witness this day that Gamanche came to Kumasi and Otumfuo so is representing?
So happiness, so happiness. So we are grateful. We are grateful.
You are very honored to be part of this history today.
Yes.
Okay. What do you have to say to Kumasi, Akans, and Ashanti, and people who always think that Ashantis and Gans always have problems or they are not united?
Now we are united. Now we are united. Okay, let me say it this way. We came to Kumasi, and Kumasi, we had a lot of things, good things coming out of Kumasi that, oh, yeah, Kramfono, yeah, Nimu, Nina Ayabako. Say, yeah, new one more, Mooney was a Muslim, new one more. I say, United, Papa. Papa.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you. We are really enjoying ourselves. I don't know that if I will go back today or not, because you have really given us a very warm reception. So thank you very much. Thank you for your time. So what's their name? What's the name that you are giving to?
Kaneshi Mlamicho.
Kaneshi
Mlamicho.
Kaneshi Mlamicho. We are Chilemu say. Say the air crop area first and talk to Henny. Sabia son Sabinad. So what's ne? And Nasa Sawa, Dapakemina, what's in here. A young Nasamanka, and a decline. To Manka, a few moon a decline. no ma prapra kwamu ayi fi ene nkeka wa bia ne afi kwam ansana ɔte kuru ene kra ne ba mo maso no be awie fi asante kotoko hene atiesi na eno ane abagama mu no ena won so kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ saa kro no a afade no so ɛyɛ fufuo saa ena ɔmo so ɛde kyerɛ na na no mabrempɔnfo ɔmo nyina aba ɔmo tetene fɛfɛɛfɛ ɔhene ɛmo akwa ɛde bɛdi kɛda Yene osante hene eba agamai mu no ene niema yaba be sua efe akone yeba nene asaso kokra yo chameka yebe heni woke nitimo ishe be agone woke no fe no ba yeba be sua wotame enyo akene yaba agamai mu ne die we didn't say tree no ya de fra said de me no mi ebetimi ati esanse sanka metega maba asase so de nanka wo sanka meka na me nyanti je ta betna ha na masua ni ayi wada wasan ba obetire me ayi wada me watna se be pa cho ye fese
me dey kwashi gobile I'm talking my English among from divisional chief at the same time under the Game Town Paramount. And the Dian Kasankasa at ENC Mihin and the other family, the Nananketia.
Anyway, means it's over on an it's
me, Washington.
New Adam. At this time, we did bread and what states and
yo, the divisional chief.
So this time I'll hand over to
and a member of the Nation Alata Traditional Council. It double no. The chairman of English Alata Traditional Council as a traditional ruler of English Amanfo.
So historic dance na asa asa apu asa anase ebra mochi ahoboso ena mosasa na adentin so ena esese una mosasa
yo impeni se bedi akon edin fatana na e fatana akono se tudura sakra pono na nya akowu antuam na dia why be pen no ana yedi ekija no se be minim se be tu kwan na ni pa kwa me di mechija no no o fi mechi ya e fa mechi nja no o be fi mechi ye dia ene me won kwan se di mechi ye no eja na em se kran ha nyina no me kan fo me ho de em se niga ye kran he no so we di mu adanse di neni atofom ehun se ye fonton ana kete ana doa ye bad se ye sapa ye se bi ebi ana me na bitwato na bitwato ko amini musa e je san se mini musa kwa ko no se ene no me so me be kire me bobre en fenhia ye nana otumfo o se etu na enye nwanwan to se me America sei echi ankasa efi Asante Sevilla.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is how it will run in this final stretch of this
Sama gas hene.
I'll hand over to the chief linguist of the Ghanaian who will then take instructions from the Ghanaian.
Sir, for
and the final word to wrap up this endeavor, after which you will go over to express gratitude to Utumfo Ofesitu the second for his attendance to this endeavor. And then after that, the two kings will leave this ground.
3 minutes any mama. And she said, Domino Suno Bia Super say, me. Na
Ni din de say
Asano hano ebe friend no obonu ana akame mu ne be friend fonton from enti fonton from ne be me de fra kete ene adowa no because ye ma me kwan e ma me sa kete ye ma me kwan ma me sa adowa ye ma me kwan ma me sa fonton from no enti o hwe ma asana me sa na me de fry e kono me de painting kwa ka
enti na say wonya master mbo we are excellent
after the tete me
the entity woni and you timi come here say ni na bomo why you fedo
that's it
what am I and
meka enka mu de sabi impeni se ensamanfo bo se omo pedodo a na nka geye ati asefo na de wo mu de se eya na ye tati se asantifo edidi engranfo atem se yenum nyansa ani ato to yen tase de ma awo anyway say ana engranfo asantifo se engranfo di omo atem na afa na ya behu say eya titi abako semu no gewura osedu onu ankasa asoma all kan say enye ne na nkrani asante eya nkabo aji ene awa be oba be hye mkena aji efi na kono asante hu nkran say eya nuafo na nkran so hu asante say eso eya nuafo because prior way we ba ko a ebu na mo kabo ma eya enemu and then, as I